Welcome back to Innoven Foods. Today I am making a soft, traditional and very comforting Suji Vapa Pitha, a simple steamed pitha filled with jaggery and fresh coconut. This recipe is perfect for winter mornings, afternoon snacks or any festive moments. First, in a bowl add 1 cup suji or semolina, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Suji makes the pitha softer than rice flour version. Then pour 1 and 1/4 cup milk. Mix until smooth. Keep the batter slightly thick for good shape. Vapa Pitha is one of the oldest Bangladeshi steamed pitha varieties. And let it rest for 10 minutes so the suji softens beautifully. After resting, add half teaspoon baking powder and mix gently. Resting the suji gives the pitha a perfect soft texture. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil. Pour half of the batter inside. This pitha is naturally low oil and very light. Then spread a layer of jaggery and grated coconut. Jaggery adds mineral-rich sweetness with a beautiful aroma. Cover with the remaining batter. And add a little more jaggery and coconut on top for extra flavor. Now boil some water in a pan. And steam the pitha for 15 to 20 minutes or until fully set. Do not oversteam, it may become dry. Once done, cool slightly and unmold. Suji is rich in iron and easy to digest. Coconut provides healthy fats and fiber. Jaggery contains natural minerals. Steamed pitha is a healthier alternative to fried snacks. Your soft and delicious Suji Vapa Pitha is ready. If you enjoyed this traditional recipe, don't forget to like, comment, follow and subscribe for more authentic homemade foods from Innoven Foods.